Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna dive into the solution on how to solve the WhatsApp which has been banned. This problem has been normal to many of the WhatsApp users, and it can be caused by various of actions as follows. Firstly, it can be through using the unofficial WhatsApp, which are GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp, and similar to those, whereby the required WhatsApp are WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business. And the second cause is that sending a lot of SMS to the people who are not in your contact. Whereas some of them may take an action of block, whereby when they place block button, it will come with the report contact. So when they will place OK, it's when your informations or reports will be sent to the WhatsApp support, and hence your account is going to be banned. So here are the solutions of such kind of troubleshooting. Firstly, just go to your home screen and find the WhatsApp app as here is present here. I will hold it tightly. When I place it, it will bring for me some of articles on top. What I will do is I will place the first icon from left side, this one here. Then I will go direct to the storage usage. I will place it here, and the following step which I will do is placing the cache, whereby down of it there is clear cache. I will place it so that the cache can be cleared and to start afresh without any encumbrance. After that, it will clear all the cache and it will remain here only 0B. So this is the first action to do, that you can get access or re-access of their WhatsApp account. When you turn back, the second way to do so that we can get access of our problem is that through going to Google, just find a Google application, then right here app as WhatsApp web, just right on top there on search bar as WhatsApp web, then place enter. It will bring here the website of WhatsApp. I will place the top one. After pressing, I will get into the WhatsApp website that I can find the solution, or I can find the way through which I can send my request to re-access my WhatsApp account. So what I will do, I will enter here from the left side. There are 3 lines whereby I will place them. After that, I will place the area written help center. Then it will come like this way. I will go direct until the bottom of this website or this place. Then I will place the area written contact us. After that, it will come this page here, as you see. What I will do, I will place here from the WhatsApp Messenger support for all questions related to WhatsApp Messenger, contact us. I will press here, contact us. After that, they will bring this list here and the filling blanks that are required to fulfill the details and sending the message to them that they can unblock my WhatsApp account. Firstly, I will start from here, writing the code of my country. I will search it. Then I will press. After that, I will write the number which has been blocked or banned WhatsApp. After that, I will enter the email address and I will confirm through re-entering such entered email. And I will choose the kind of phone which I'm using right now. I'm using Android. After that, I will fill the message for requesting them to re-accessing me with my WhatsApp account, that they can unban, to look my reviews, that they can give me the access, another access of my WhatsApp account. After that, I will place the next step. Then it will come into this page here. This page is mainly concerning that if one of the article as mentioned there is relating to your problem, then you replace it. If not, it's when you require to select the send question. So our problem is privately. So what we are required is to place the button named as send question. So we press here and the our message or our request will be sent. Okay, after that, I think you've got something on how to do so as to deal with the troubleshooting concerning with the banned WhatsApp. Through doing the named procedures is when you'll get access into your WhatsApp account as before. Lastly, like if you found this helpful, what I will beg you is to don't forget to subscribe, to like, share and comment. And when you press the subscribe button, don't forget to press all, that when I will upload my contents, you will be the first one to receive the notification concerning with the content which have been provided into YouTube. Thank you for being with me until the last of my session.